Oh my god. Oh my god, Maxy. Oh my god. You seriously got a fish?
Yeah.
How did you catch it?
I just felt something that was like holding my fishing rod. It was like, and then I was like, then I caught it.
Did you have a bait?
No.
Without a bait?
Actually, I had a ball bait.
Like you had bread?
Then he ate it.
Uh-huh. Bless
He
you.
accidentally got hooked on his mouth.
Oh
And
my god.
And then when I did like this, I was like, and then he fell off the hook. I caught him on his tail.
He fell off the hook?
Yeah.
That was my next question. I was about to ask you, how did you get that fish off the hook? Oh my god, boy. That's like seriously a fish.
I know, it's like a real fish. It is.
You know, if you get more water into that... Oh, this is a cover for him?
Ooh, you can use this.
No, that one is cracked. Look, you see there's a crack. Is there?
Where?
Let me see. Thought it had a crack. They don't have a crack? Oh yeah, it doesn't have a crack. Yeah, so go ahead. Fill that up. No, go fill it up with, or maybe, yeah. You can use this, look. You can use this blue bucket to fill that one up with water. Because it's going to need more water than that.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's going to need more water. Because like this, it stays on its side, you know? It needs to swim straight. A little more. It needs to swim straight. More. Use more. Because this way it swims on its sideways. Yeah, you see how it's straightening up? Yeah, a little more. It needs to be all covered up. Good boy.
Oh.
This is like, you see, you have like a fish tank, a little pond for your fish here. Yeah, there you go, boy. See, now it can swim. See?
Can I keep it?
Keep it.
Okay.
Yeah,
Daddy,
boy.
look. I just caught a fish.
Check
Look
this
at
out,
he's
boy.
crying.
No, he's fine. He's just crying for
See this guy?
the bunny.
Mm-hmm.
Is that cool or what?
He's crying because, like, he goes up the stairs and goes down the stairs and tries to break the line, right?
Okay, I'm gonna take care of him.
And then he starts crying because it hurts.
Okay, I'm gonna go take care of him.
In like 3 hours?
Not exactly.
I mean, this looks like it's dead, honestly. Okay, never mind.
It doesn't look like it's dead. You know what you can do? You can unhook him because he has 2 leashes hooked together. So unhook him from one of the leashes and take him inside the house. Close all the doors, just take him inside the house. All he's trying to do is to get to the bunny. And close the gate in case he escapes. No? Okay. Maxy, you have like a pond set up here, right? For all the fish that you will catch, right?
Yeah. Wait, where is he? Oh,
Right there, he's hanging out.
I'm touching.
Yeah, he's fine. Oh, put some little pieces of bread in there so he can eat.
Oh.
Just don't hook yourself, okay, on that hook.
I know.
Because you leave it like this lying around and you might hook to your foot.
Here, little buddy. Get some bread.
Yeah, little buddy. Like, put it in front of his face. Yeah, right there. That's it. He sees it.
Eat some.
It's okay, it's okay.
Maybe he's hungry.
He's gonna find it.
I thought you said put some rocks.
No, not rocks. He's gonna find it.
Eat it. Eat. 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 I like to eat.
He is stressed, Maxy. You know fish get stressed when they're not in their own home. He is stressed out.
Maybe he's dead.
No, he's not dead for sure. He's just stressed.
Eat. Why?
He's not, yeah, he's not eating. That's okay.
Cause maybe he's not hungry because
Maybe.
he was the one eating.
Yeah, maybe he was the one that ate that bait that you gave him, and he's like, all right, I had my breakfast, right?
I'm full now. I'm gonna save that blood for later.
Mm-hmm.
I caught a fly.
Maxy, you got a zoo. You got a fish, a fly, a bunny, some goldfish, a dog, huh? A frog, right? My goodness.
Dog, a frog.
Well, you gotta feed your frog.
Oh, no.
What? You know when you catch that fly?
Look.
When you catch that fly, bring it to your frog. Because it needs to eat something. The hook got hooked.
Mm-hmm. The hook got hooked.
Yeah, that's what it's for, right?
Mm-hmm. Fishing rods are for fish. Because
There
they're
you
called
go.
fishing rods.
Yeah, Danny. You walking him? Good job. He just wants to get to that bunny.
Mommy,
Yeah, Maxy.
just keep trying till you catch a fish.
Yep. And that's what fishing is teaching you, right? Patience and persistence, right, Maxy? Tell him not to eat that leash, Danny. Danny, because he's tangled up. That's why he's trying to bite on it. Grab the leash next, like by his neck. And then you can pull it out. Yeah. Caught who? A fish? What do you mean almost? You did catch it.
No, I almost caught a different.
Oh yeah? Hey, don't eat that fish, man. This boy, man. Oh no, it's gonna die and it's gonna kill the other fishies. Cause that's not a fish tank fish. You know, different fishes belong in different places. Like some fishes live in the ocean, some fishes live in the lake, some fishes live in fish tanks.
No, some fishes live in people's bellies.
Yep, like fish dinner or fish sticks. Fish dinner.
Mommy, fish dinner. Fish dinner. You know, fish stick is a literal stick.
Yeah, in Fortnite?
Yes.
Let me see your shirt. Fortniter. Alright.
Mommy.
Hmm.
You know how I say, you know how I always say something about season 1
Yeah.
It's like I'm a season 9er, season 10er.
Yeah, what are you now? Season what?
Season 14er.
14er, you're a season 14er. Maxy, maybe we should let Ace go in that water and get some fish out. Cause you know he's a hunter. What, baby?
It's wind.
What?
It's wind.
Wind? Oh, it's okay, love. Be patient. You're gonna get it. You already got one. Some people fish all day. They don't get nothing. You know, some fishermen, they go out in the morning, they fish all morning, then they come back home, they said, oh, no luck today, right? But you already had luck, right? So that's a good day.
Yeah,
So just keep fishing. Maybe you'll get another chance. Because there are a lot of them here, Maxie. You saw how many? In the water? Like at least 5 or 10.
The spiders.
And where did the spiders go? Oh, they're still here. Oh. Okay, Maxie, good luck, okay? I'll be back to you in a little bit. Okay, boy? Yeah.
But when it's windy, it's a 50-50% chance. I need a big tank for that, guys.
Big tank? Is that